Hello everybody, I'm Chef John. We decided that we were going to do a soul food dish. And what better soul food dish to do than fried chicken? So we're doing all of our cooking today in the Matador, which is perfect for frying chicken. I have my Matador set on a low temp right now. Now most people, when they would go ahead and fry chicken, they're just going to get vegetable oil or some kind of Crisco oil and just put it in their frying utensils and go ahead and just fry it up. Traditionally, to impart more flavor, they would use several different types of oil. So I've got here today, I've got shortening, I've got lard, and I've got ham hocks that are gonna make up my frying liquid. While the frying liquid is starting to break down, I have in this flour mixture, Ben's heifer dust, I have garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, a little bit of salt, and fresh cracked black pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and break these chickens down. Soul food is naturally influenced by Native American and African on food. You'll see a lot of different types of Native American influences in soul food. But the actual term of soul food didn't originate till the 1960s, mid-1960s. You're gonna wanna start with your thickest pieces of chicken first. They're gonna take the longest. So the breasts are gonna take the longest, then it's gonna be the legs, then it's gonna be the thighs, will be the fastest to cook. Now truly, this is the key to frying chicken right here. Besides having the special frying liquid and making sure your seasoning's well, letting the chicken rest inside the flour is really gonna make sure that you have a really good crust on your chicken. Actually, one of my favorite meals growing up, my mom would cook us our favorite meal for our birthdays. And every year I would get the same thing. I would have fried chicken, mashed potatoes, collard greens, and then a strawberry cake for my birthday cake. So this chicken came out beautifully. We're gonna go ahead and pull some of this chicken out of the pan. Go ahead and let it start draining some of this frying oil off and gets that skin nice and crispy. It looks great. Cannot wait to dig in. If you like this recipe or like any of our other recipes, please click on the link in the description below. Hot and delicious. This chicken came out proper. My mother would be totally proud. I'm Chef John from recteq Grills saying, we'll see you at the recteq.